1, 2, 3, go.
A tissue, butt wipes or something.
Wow, that's really cool. Oh wow, look at you. Oh, there you go. Here we go.
Someone's hungry. Everybody's hungry. Takoyaki. That looks really good. Got your ramen. I think the Zubu ramen. Here is finally over. It's gonna be sad. I'm gonna miss this place. Oh well. Till next time, Vancouver. Bye. Wait, where are we? Olympic Village.
Yeah, so you see like all those buildings, all those apartments, that's where the athletes, they were staying during the Olympic Games.
Ah.
They were all living in those buildings.
Ah.
Yeah, I was working there before. I was working in
Oh
the
yeah,
Vancouver.
the urban.
That's
Yeah.
where I started working.
Perfect. Do you know the manager?
Yeah, that's why I was
oh.
talking to him. He used to be my... when I was an
You
assistant...
worked with him?
Yeah. When I was an assistant in Yaletown, he was my operation manager, so he was like below me.
Yeah.
Now he's an assistant too, he's like me.
Yeah.
He got promoted.
Well, these are big birds. I'm gonna show you something that is like never seen before. Like, look how big this bird is. Hey. So massive. Yeah. Such a big bird. Last day in Vancouver. Hey.
It's our last day today.
Sad because we're gonna be back home.
But we're coming back here one day.
Oh yeah, one day once we're flying back. We're back in Westchester.
We're gonna rent a car and we're gonna do Airbnb as well.
That would be great. More freedom.
More freedom.
They closed this bridge. Can't get in. Wow. This is beautiful. Downtown Vancouver. So it's our last day here in Vancouver and we're gonna be back in Calgary. I'm just having my mocha latte, iced mocha latte. I'm sad. So we're just chilling while we wait. While we wait for our flight time at 3. We're just here in downtown, just chilling around. So I just posted today my newest vlog. Still in Vancouver. We were in IONA Beach. That's a really good place for a nice stroll, especially for a good weather. Yeah, so go check that out. I'll link it from up there. Woo. The sun is nice and bright. So behind me is the science world over here. And then I don't know what arena is. What's the name of that arena?
Rogers Arena.
Rogers Arena. Never been there. Yeah, that one's Science World there. This city is so active. Like, I find people here, you know, they go for a jog, they walk with their dogs, go for a walk. It's very healthy. It's busy and healthy. Yeah, maybe one day I might decide to live here if I win the lottery. If I win the lottery, I will live here.
into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast? Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender now that it's
Bakar na tadi be. Sige na be.
Anong backer ba?
Aman.
Ako sa backer.
Pasaltam eh.
Spelling sa backer, ma'am.
Spell Bakar. Oh my god. Agad, sorry.
Agad mo ko yaw. Agad! Hindi ako sa backer.
Ay, ako tiya. Nisaka kong fluids dahil.